Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the text going through your video. Okay, let's start here. Just import your video, whatever video you're going to use. Insert the clip to the timeline. And in this case you need two video channel here. We put our clip on the number video 2, and then you go down here to your effects. If you don't have effects, you could just click on top here and then go on title and either pick text plus or text. I'm gonna pick text plus in this case, and then make it longer. You have to display the video track so you can see the text down below. Either you could click on here or press D on your keyboard. Okay, go back to text plus. If you want to edit the text plus, just need to go to video and title. Let's whatever word you're going to use on your video. Make sure you find the proper font that is big enough that it fits the purpose. Let's see. It's gonna put impact. I'm sure you're gonna have that one in your DaVinci Resolve, and make sure the text is white. And then make this size as big as to your screen. Go back to your video and again press D on your keyboard. The reason it doesn't show the text here because our video is on top. So how to fix that problem? You have to go down on video, go down on composites, and you have to change the mode from normal. In this case, I'm just gonna use multiply. There you go, you could see it here. Okay. The easiest way to use the zooming effect that you see in the movies or TV shows, you just come here, click on your text, go to your setting, and then turn on dynamic zoom. As you could see now, it's zooming in, but we don't want that, we want the opposite. So go back to the first frame, open the dynamic zoom, and then if you see what's happening here, just click on this part and make sure the dynamic zoom is on. So in this case, the green rectangle is the starting point and the red is the ending point. That's why it's starting from. Let's swap that one to start from full screen, and then you can adjust this one wherever you want to go. So let's go here. You could see it's working now, but it's pretty slow. You could see it all the way. So let's cut these parts halfway, so it's gonna speed up our effect. There you go. And here we're gonna have problem because after the text is over, our screen goes to black. The reason is because we're still using the multiply composite on this video. So you could just use the razor and then cut right at the end of the text. Select our clip and then turn back the composite mode to normal. Let's try again. There you go. Now it's pretty good. So you can play around with the zoom here, even make it smaller. As you can see, it's better now. You could also play around with the Dynamic zoom is, so if linear is just go all the way in the linear way, like the same speed from the beginning to end, or you could just ease in and ease out. I'm gonna change the way, so it's gonna go faster at the first and then go a little bit linear, faster at the end. Let's see. There you go. Now let's see the full clip render. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. See you next time.